Hey, have you ever wondered about the little blue symbol that connects your headphones, your smartwatch, and maybe even your car? That's Bluetooth. And it's basically the silent, invisible hero of our wireless world. But where did it come from? And how did it get that weird name? Let's travel back to the 1990s. A bunch of tech companies, including Ericsson, Nokia, and Intel, wanted to create a single, universal standard to replace all those annoying cables for short-range communication. They needed a codey name for this project, something temporary. An engineer named Jim Karduk, who was a big history buff, suggested Bluetooth. Why Bluetooth? Well, he was reading a book about Vikings and learned about a 10th century king named Harold Bluetooth. King Harold was famous for uniting the scattered tribes of Denmark and Norway into a single kingdom. The engineers loved the analogy. Just as King Harold united tribes, their new technology would unite different devices and communication protocols. The name was supposed to be temporary, but it stuck, and now it's a household name. Even the logo is a combination of two ancient runes that represent Harold's initials H and B. So how does this digital Viking magic actually work? It's all about radio waves, but not the kind your car stereo uses to pick up FM stations. Bluetooth operates on a specific band of short-range radio frequencies, around 2.4 GHz. This is a public, unlicensed frequency band, which is why your Wi-Fi router and even your microwave oven use it too. When you want to connect to Bluetooth devices, like your phone and a speaker, they start a process called pairing. It's like a digital handshake. Your phone sends out a signal saying, "Hey, anyone out there want to connect?" The speaker responds, "I do." They then exchange a secret key, a bit of security information, so that no other device can eavesdrop on their conversation. Once paired, they form a tiny, personal network called a PIC. The main device, like your phone, acts as the master, and the connected devices, like your speaker or headphones, are the slaves. The master tells the slaves what to do and when. To avoid interfering with other signals like Wi-Fi, Bluetooth uses a clever trick called frequency hopping. It rapidly switches between 79 different channels within its frequency band, hopping up to 1,600 times per second. This makes the connection incredibly robust and secure. It's like having a secret conversation in a crowded room by constantly changing the language you're speaking. From its humble beginnings as a project coding name to being in billions of devices worldwide, Bluetooth has truly united our digital lives. It's a perfect example of how a simple idea, inspired by a bit of history, can change the world. See you in the next one.